Hi, I'm Ant from Disco Newquay, and if you have hired your equipment from us, you're going to get all your equipment in boxes similar to these. They will include your transmitters, iPads if you've hired them from us, audio cables and headphones. So Silent Disco headphones. These will come packed like this, and this is how they have to be packed when you are sending them back. This will prevent them from being damaged. Open them up. There's an on-off switch on the bottom. You'll see the lights illuminate. These are 3-channel headsets, bass enhanced, the best on the market, with an independent volume control as well. So once you've got them switched on, you can see all 3 colors: red, green and blue. Okay, so we'll get back to them in just a minute. Also in the box, you're going to have your 3 transmitters. They come in these cases. Carefully take them out of the box. Take them out by the body, not by the antenna. Plug in the power source. You'll see the power source input there. Plug that in there. That switch on the right hand side, it says low and high. These are just distances. They are 300 meter and 500 meter range, depending on what kind of event you have got. So it doesn't matter what side, switch that's on, as long as all 3 transmitters are on the same setting, 300 or 500. So we're going to put that straight away across to the right. You'll see the red light illuminate. The next thing to think about is our digital number on the front there. This corresponds to the channel on the headset. 3 channels, 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. So when you set up the 3 transmitters, all of those transmitters are going to be on a different number. If you put any 2 of them on the same number, you're going to get massive interference and crackling noise. So let's go ahead and get the other transmitters out. Quickly plug them in. When you're setting up this equipment, just give it a little bit of space in between them. On at the back, that's number 3. So I'm going to put this one at number 2. And we're going to put that at number 1. So check your numbers, 1, 2 and 3. So the next stage is to put in your audio cables. They're exactly the same. They're color coordinated. And they're very simple to use, because you've got one end which is for the headphone output of your musical device, and a double end there which goes into the audio. And as you'll see, red goes into red, white goes into white. You're now ready to plug the audio end in to your iPhone or your tablet or iPad. That goes into the headphone output socket. Make sure you get a good connection on that. So we're going to go ahead and plug in our other 2 devices in the same method. So then when you've got them devices plugged in, press play on your devices. Headphones switch on. And you hear the music on all 3 channels. If for some reason there's no volume, just go back to your device. Make sure that you've got the volume control right up on all 3. Sometimes they switch to 0 by default when you put a device in. So 1, 2, 3 different channels of music operating there. That's how simple the setup is. With your devices, I'd advise to just don't have them at full, but just 1 click back, because you can always adjust your volume on the headsets as well. We're always on the phone if you have any problems whatsoever, but this is how simple it is, and we can help you with playlists. Even if you don't hire your iPads from us, please give us a call. We can make sure that you have the best party, and we can make sure that the playlists that you are using are appropriate for your age group. So have fun. Silent Disco is all about fun. Thanks for hiring off us, and have a great party.